So recently I've been talking a lot about the dangers of using a credit card in relation to overspending. But today I want to explain how using a credit card may be the easiest way to help you generate passive income. Let's get into it. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Frugal. So while I was out for dinner with a friend last night, I had a really interesting exchange that has actually inspired me to make this video today. So at the end of the meal, I asked the waiter if they took American Express as a payment method. And for some strange reason, my friend reacted with surprise at this question. She was very much like, why do you have an American Express? Who has an American Express? Like, why, what? This makes no sense. So that led to us having a conversation about me liking rewards, hence using that particular credit card, and why wasn't she doing that? Her surprise at this conversation coming from somebody who is incredibly intelligent and actually very financially secure really surprised me. So much so that I knew I had to jump on camera today to talk about how you can use credit cards to your advantage. Because at the end of the day, if you are using a credit card, you should be getting rewards for using it from the credit card company. Now, let me be clear about this. Yes, it is true that credit card companies offer us these reward initiatives to encourage us to increase our debt. However, if we look at using a credit card like a debit card and only buy the things that we can afford and pay the card off promptly, we will get all of the benefit with none of the negative consequences of using a credit card. So these are the things that you need to know. So the first thing that you need to do is find a credit card that offers rewards that you actually value, whether that is cashback. I personally have a 1% cashback card. If that is air miles, that's retail vouchers or money off your grocery shopping, whatever it may be. Make sure that you do your research on the terms and conditions of the card, the value of the actual cashback, any spend or time limits that you have to meet in order to qualify for that reward. Just make sure that you understand what you're signing up for and understand what to expect so you know what you will receive. The second thing to do once you've selected your credit card of choice is to set up a direct debit to repay the balance in full every single month. These reward cards are expensive. They will come with large APRs. And so if you're not paying the balance off every month, you will get stung for a lot of interest. The thing to remember here is because you're looking for a reward card, you're not looking for a 0% APR, an interest-free period. You're not looking for 90 days to your first payment. You're not looking at anything like that. The APR on these cards should not matter because you're going to be paying the card off in full in order to reap the benefit of getting your reward. Remember, if you end up paying interest, you're giving the credit card company money, you're not getting anything back. So the third thing to do now that you've got the card and you've set up all of your admin is to use the card for your normal spending, but do not be tempted to spend more just to maximize rewards. You'll find that if you start buying things on your credit card just to get more return, you may not have the money to pay off the balance every month, and it will be false economy because though you'll be getting more rewards in return, you're spending more money to get it, which means you aren't making money. You're giving money away just to get a little bit in return. It's only worth it if it's your normal spending or if you happen to have a one-off large purchase to make, so you may as well get the cash back on it. But don't conjure up spending. It's the quickest way for this to start spiraling out of control. And the final thing I'll say about rewards credit cards is if you're looking to borrow money using a traditional credit card, you have a balance that you need to transfer or you need to make a purchase, you want it to be interest-free because you're going to pay for it over a period of time. Stay away from rewards credit cards. They're far too expensive. That initial reward will be completely diluted by the amount of interest that you will have to pay moving forward. If you know you don't have the discipline to manage your credit card like a debit card, unfortunately, this isn't for you. If this video provided any value to you, please do give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe. If you would like me to review and rank the rewards credit cards on the market here in the UK today, please do drop down in the comments and let me know. And hopefully I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.